There's a title going around right now that says every late night ages your body faster. And your first instinct might be to roll your eyes at it. But the truth is, there's real science underneath that claim. And it's genuinely worth understanding. So today I want to walk you through what actually happens inside your body while you sleep, why chronic late nights take a toll at the cellular level, and just as importantly, where the honest limits of that science are. Because I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to give you the real picture. Let's start with a shift in how you think about sleep, because this is the key to everything. Most of us picture sleep as your body powering down, doing nothing, resting, but that's backwards. At the cellular level, sleep is one of the most active, productive periods of your entire day. It's when your body runs its overnight repair and maintenance program. Here's some of what happens while you're asleep. During deep sleep, your brain activates something called the glymphatic system, which is essentially a waste clearance network that flushes out the metabolic junk your brain accumulates during the day. Also during deep sleep, your body releases a pulse of growth hormone, which drives tissue repair throughout your body. Your cells ramp up their maintenance work, clearing out damaged proteins and worn-out components. And your DNA repair machinery gets to work. Researchers have found that roughly a third of your genes are influenced by your internal body clock, and a huge amount of this repair activity is scheduled deliberately for nighttime. So now you can see the problem with chronic late nights. When you consistently stay up too late or cut your sleep short, you're not just losing rest. You're cutting directly into the window your body has set aside for repairing itself. Do that occasionally and your body catches up. Do it night after night, month after month, and the unrepaired damage starts to accumulate. And this is where the connection to aging comes in. A growing body of research links chronic poor and short sleep to markers of accelerated biological aging. Studies associate sleep disturbances with increased cellular senescence, that's the buildup of those worn-out zombie cells we've discussed, with shortened telomeres, which are the protective caps on your chromosomes, with higher inflammation, and with faster epigenetic aging on the biological clock scientists use to measure it. Even a single night of significant sleep loss has been shown to nudge gene expression toward inflammation and cellular aging. And this connects directly to what we talk about on this channel, because in animal studies, sleep loss has been shown to directly impair mitochondrial function, driving exactly the kind of cellular energy decline and damage that ages tissues. Now, here is where I'm going to be honest with you in a way a lot of scary content won't be. Most of the human research on sleep and biological aging is what's called cross-sectional. It shows a strong association, a clear link, but it hasn't fully nailed down cause and effect in people yet. The animal evidence points towards sleep loss directly causing this damage, and the human links are consistent and concerning, but the science is still filling in the causal picture. So the honest headline is not that one bad night visibly ages you. It's that a chronic, ongoing pattern of poor sleep is genuinely associated with aging faster at the cellular level. One late night is not a crisis. A lifestyle of them is what adds up. So let's talk about what actually helps, because the good news is that this is highly within your control, and none of it requires buying anything. The single most powerful thing is consistency. Going to bed and waking up at roughly the same times every day, even on weekends, keeps that internal repair clock running on schedule. Aim for the 7 to 9 hours that most adults genuinely need. Protect the quality of your sleep by giving yourself a real wind-down period, dimming bright screens in the evening, and keeping late-day caffeine and alcohol in check, since both fragment your deep sleep. And get some natural light in the morning, which anchors your whole circadian rhythm and helps you fall asleep more easily that night. So finally, where does a supplement like Mitochondrial fit into a conversation about sleep and aging? I'm going to hold to the same honesty I always do. Sleep itself is the lever here. There's no pill, including this one, that replaces a good night's sleep, and I would never tell you otherwise. If you're consistently short on sleep, the fix is the sleep, full stop. Where Mitochondrial plays a small supporting role is purely on the cellular energy side. Since we know sleep loss strains your mitochondria, supporting mitochondrial function during the day, with its CoQ10 and PQQ, is a reasonable complement to good habits. But it sits alongside real rest. It does not undo a pattern of late nights. So here's the takeaway I want you to leave with. Don't panic about the occasional late night, but do start treating your sleep as the active, essential repair process it truly is. Protecting your nights is one of the most powerful and genuinely proven things you can do to age well. Protect your nights and you protect how you age. Check the link in the description below to learn more about supporting your cellular energy with Mitochondrial. And if you appreciate getting the honest, measured version of these topics instead of fear, hit subscribe. Every week we break down the real cellular science of healthy aging in plain language you can use. We post every morning. I want to be fully transparent with you. The link in the description below is an affiliate link. I might earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. I only share what I genuinely think is helpful. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making changes to your diet or lifestyle.